morning. It is Tuesday. Yes, March 10th. Wow. It's 6:20 a.m. I just finally got out of bed. I did wake up at 5 like I'm supposed to be, but I just let myself kind of edge out because I can. So I am now awake. I'm going to make my bed and I'm going to do my workout. But I thought I would take you along for my day with me. So I'll check with you guys in a little bit. All right, I am clean. I did my workout. I am dressed. I need to film my clip for my outfits of the week video. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and I have a Thrive Market box I got here last night. So I'm gonna open that on camera for you guys. Yeah, it's kind of a busy day, so we'll kind of see what happens. All right, we've got the Thrive Market box, and if I'm being completely honest, I don't really remember what I ordered. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So I see on top a ton of Smart Sweets, lots of Sour Blast Buddies, which are my very favorite. This is a complete jackfruit meal. It's like Indian food, but instead of chicken, it's jackfruit. So I thought I would try this for a Meatless Monday. Coming up, we got some more Smart Sweets, some Sweet Fish, and more Sour Blast Buddies. I think I ordered 4 of each of those. Got a restock mustache. We got a sample of an Amazing Grass superfood. We got more paper. Okay. We've got some Banza alphabet made from chickpeas. I don't know why I need alphabet pasta. Maybe I'll make some mac and cheese with it. Who knows? Speaking of cheese, we've got some dairy-free cheesy mac, Alfredo style. And then we've got some cheese sauce. Again, actually dairy-free. Maybe I'll use that with the Banza pasta. In this jar, it appears to be a pasta sauce. Let's see. I think I ordered a pasta sauce. If I could open it, let me set you down. Look at the Smart Sweets for a moment. All right. Yes, I just ordered the Thrive Market vodka sauce. If it would focus. It won't. There it is. So I got that. And some pizza crusts. These are my favorite. They're 4 points for a third of this. So real yummy. So I ordered those. So that is all the stuff I got from Thrive Market. I'm going to clean up all that paper and then have my body bloom and figure out what I'm gonna have for breakfast. All right, breakfast is prepped. I just have some eggs, cheese, and sausage on toast. I might have to change my shirt because I spilled egg on it, but I soaked it in water, so hopefully it'll dry right. So I'm gonna eat that, and I'm gonna watch The Voice, and then I'll check with you. All right, Cameron's here, and blurry.
Oh, we're blurry.
There we are. So we're getting ready to go to work. I had my breakfast. I watched The Voice, and then I started watching Ben Higgins' season of The Bachelor again, as I tend to do once in a blue moon, because Ben Higgins is my favorite Bachelor.
Oh, yeah.
Duh. and yours? Are you sure?
Yeah. Well,
like, yeah,
it's a tie because I really like Jason.
Okay, that's before you actually watched the show.
Okay, well then watching it, it's Ben and Sean.
Right.
I like Sean.
Sean was the first season you watched, right?
Yeah, and I really like Sean.
Yeah, because we all knew who won Sean's because I had a friend who was friends with Catherine's cousin, and so we all knew that Catherine had won because she's from Seattle.
But
anyway.
Jason Mesnick has my heart.
Well, yeah, Jason Mesnick is great. Yeah. No, Ben's my favorite. People are always shocked to hear that Ben's my favorite. They're always like, really? I like took you for like a Nick Viall girl, and I'm like,
no.
insult me like that.
That's an insult.
Don't insult me like that. I mean,
You know what? When they were doing The Bachelor live on stage the other night, and it was Who's Your Favorite Bachelor, girls stood under Colton and Nick, and I was like, who are you?
Like,
the obvious answer out of those 4 was Ben.
Ben. And Ben was there, and they didn't stand under his name, and that's just sad.
Even Jason stood under Ben's name.
Yep.
Even when Ben was like, if you want Jason, stay over here, and he didn't even move.
And then Ben was like, but Jason, you didn't choose yourself. And he was like, I know. Everyone loves Ben Higgins. If you don't love Ben Higgins, you're wrong. Mm-hmm. You're wrong. And you're wrong. That's just the facts. Ben Higgins is the best. I turned on the camera for an actual reason. Oh. I packed my lunch. It is packed. We're getting ready to go to work. We're gonna get coffee. Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna go get coffee. Cameron's eating bread. But yes, I just had to come on and rant a little bit about Ben Higgins because I just love him. So that's it.
I feel like
I wish I had vlogged when we went to Bachelor Live on stage.
We should have vlogged that.
So we went to Bachelor Live on stage and we were like just having a blast. And yeah, I got to see Ben Higgins live in person. So there you go. My favorite Bachelor. And Becca's great too. She's not my favorite Bachelor. My favorite Bachelor is JoJo. Caitlyn. It's Caitlyn. It's Caitlyn then JoJo. So ironically, both people who dated Ben.
Ben liked my tweet.
And my all
Instagram.
of our photos. It's great. Anyway, yes, I think Caitlyn's my favorite. And then JoJo.
See,
and then I loved Rachel. I loved Rachel. I got Rachel's season right. Rachel's was the first season I guessed who she was gonna pick.
Right.
From like the second he got to the limo, I was like, that's it. Brian's it. She's picking Brian. Yeah. And I was right. And everyone was mad at me for it.
Yeah, I think Caitlyn's probably my favorite.
Yeah, Caitlyn.
Yeah, I mean, there's not really many.
Because she's just the best.
Good, but like,
I mean, I love JoJo. I love Caitlyn. I love Rachel.
But like, Becca's the worst.
Becca, I liked her until she picked Garrett.
Well, I mean, when you pick her,
and I loved Hannah Brown. But for me, it's hard to say she's my favorite because she's like my age, and that's just weird to me. But now that all the like bachelors and bachelorettes are my age, that's why I'm glad it's Claire, because it's finally someone older than me again. Because it's weird when they're my age, because it makes me feel old, even though I'm not old.
I liked Hannah during her season, but this whole Peter shit, I couldn't do.
I'm still convinced that she's gonna show up tonight.
She better not.
I'm legit convinced that Hannah's gonna show up tonight on the finale.
Peter and Hannah
anyway.
engaged.
This is turning into a Bachelor finale vlog, clearly. We have friends coming over.
We'll be vlogging tonight.
Yeah, so.
Don't show my belly with my bread.
My arms hurt, an arm workout this morning. Holding a vlogging camera at a good angle is hard, but I gotta have those good angles. Anyway, this is getting really ranty and we've gotta go to work, so we'll check in with you in a little bit. All right, we made it to work. Cameron got coffee. We just went and did our daily wipe down of the place, because, you know, COVID-19, y'all. Woo. Keep those kids safe. So now we're gonna have lunch, and I'm just gonna have a turkey sandwich. Cameron is drinking coffee.
And I have a salad.
And a salad. So we're just gonna hang out. Kids will be here soon. And this lighting is terrible. There we go, that's better lighting. Look at how cute we are.
It's time to disinfect the phone.
Woohoo! Okay. So Cameron still hasn't watched last night's episode of Bachelor, and as we were talking about earlier, Bachelor drama. And we're gonna watch the finale with some friends tonight. Her friends, not mine. I just will be there.
They're your friends too.
But I've been telling her all day about how mad I am at Peter's mom, and how like Peter's family totally just made him seem like some crazy party animal who only cares about getting laid. And I'm just confused why his parents and his brother, like, that's all they think of him. So I'm gonna show Cameron what happened when Madison met Peter's family, and we're gonna see what happens.
And, you know, I voiced to Peter that, you know, for me personally, it would be hard if, you know, he were to sleep with someone.
Stop buffering.
This is gonna take a while. I'll get her reaction afterwards. We survived. We're out of focus. There we are. We survived to work. We're very tired, and we're covered in disinfectant. But
that means we're not covered in germs.
Fair. Maybe dead skin though. We are going to head home. We're gonna order Thai food. Cameron's gonna call and order it, and then we'll swing by and she'll take my card in and grab it.
Okay, I need to text Alyssa and Jason and see what they want.
That's why we're not gonna order it now. and then we're going home, and it is Bachelor time, so we will show you all of the things we have for our Bachelor night, including JC and Alyssa.
And they got wine and snacks at Costco.
Probably not things.
Probably not toilet paper.
Probably not things I could eat.
Oh,
but
I thought you were gonna make a joke about the crisis.
Cameron didn't get to finish the Madison drama.
But I saw the beginning of the brothers' conversation with him, like, WTF.
That's like, that would be like you asking me that. And that's
Kayla,
like,
don't you understand that you would never have sex with this woman until after you're married? Can you do that? Are you sure?
that whole conversation, I was like, Peter was being rational. He's like, yeah, I love her.
Side note, Peter's brother needs to break up with his girlfriend.
This has become a very Bachelor-y vlog. It was supposed to be just like a day in my life with a Thrive Market haul.
This is not
and now it's
Bachelor finale vlog.
So I'm thinking we're gonna turn on Ben and Ashley's podcast for the ride home just to
ooh, I like it.
Just to mix it up. And by mix it up, I mean not at all, because literally I've been talking about Ben Higgins all day. After we watched part of that clip of Madison and Peter's family's interaction, I instantly turned on an episode of Ben Higgins season because I was like, I need Ben Higgins. I need a good Bachelor. So yeah, we're gonna listen to his podcast and drive home now. I don't know why there's a grid on my camera screen right now, but it's
Isn't
fine.
there always a grid on your camera screen?
There might be, and I maybe just never notice it. But I haven't been back on YouTube very long, and I bought this camera right before I stopped YouTube again.
Yeah, that was a poor decision.
$700 camera, it's fine.
And then you stopped YouTubing.
It's fine, but it's a great camera, and it works well for other things. Like, this is better quality than my DSLR for video.
Yeah.
And it was more expensive than my DSLR. It's fine. All right, we'll talk to you guys at home.
DSLR.
You have two!
No, one of them's broken.
Oh, oops. Hello, so it's the next morning, and I realized I never ended the vlog. I just showed you Thai food and then, like, forgot I was vlogging. So that Bachelor finale was chaos. I have a lot of opinions on it, but I'm not gonna share those. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see what comes next on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.